Hello! In this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse any browser like Google Chrome and also Google Play Store. As if we try to install something, it will be in a pending state forever. So to fix this, we'll need to open our settings. Navigate all the way down and find System, Date and Time, and use Network Provided Time. Just make sure that you enable this setting. Now if we go back to Google Play Store and try downloading the same app, it should work. If not, you might need to also restart your Google Play Store. But as you can see, it works fine. Now the same as with Google Chrome, as if we try to reload the page, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.